Absolutely. We knew going out of the gate we wanted to be more powerful than, it's in the name, right? Rad Power Bike. So we wanted to be 750 watts. 750 watts is the federal legal limit for e-bikes to be treated like a regular bike, so you can still ride them.
Without having to get a license for it, right?
Exactly. You don't need a license, you don't need registration, you don't need a driver. Yeah. So that was our target. Our target was to build, this 750 watt e-bike with big tires on it,
Right.
and
Yeah.
get it out there in the world. But the other thing we found was really important was to make it really simple too, because we couldn't afford to have 10 different versions, and so we just had one size fits all, and we made a white one and a black one. And the bike was a little bit absurd in the sense that these huge tires on it. It also had a throttle on it, which was pretty super unusual back then. Most e-bikes are only assistive, so as you're pedaling, it helps you out a little bit.
Yeah.
But our bike had a full-on twist throttle on it, like you would have on a scooter or a motorcycle.